it was always really important for us to be as low energy as possible, and Vanadium have helped us do that. We've got quite a high energy use household. We've got air source heat pumps, we've got electric cars, we've got a hot tub, and Vanadium straight away said, I've got the answer. And then the Tesla Powerwall 3s, and again, that balance right was really important, and that's why I like Vanadium, because they didn't try and bamboozle me. They were really honest. They could say I could have slightly less PVs or not the newest PVs if I needed to. So we got that balance just right. Selecting the Tesla Powerwall 3s was really interesting as well, just working through all the pros and cons of all the systems and the different batteries we could have put in. And then the best bit was when Vanadium then came and installed it. They turned up when they said they would, did what they said they were going to do, didn't cause a mess or a fuss. Were really friendly with the dogs and the kids, which was really nice. And then the commissioning day was really important as well. We're investing quite a lot of money in the system. It's got quite a long payback, and it was really nice. They came in, really enjoyable day, showed us how the system worked. Got an email from Tesla. It's super easy to click through, work out how the Tesla app works, work out how all the system integrates, and within half an hour we'd gone on to Intelligent Octopus Go as a tariff. The car charger was working, the solar panels were generating electricity, the batteries were charging up, and the house was becoming cheaper to run. So really easy, friendly, understanding journey that I have no problem hesitating Vanadium to the future to friends and family.